25 billion pairs of socks each year.
What surprises me about this factory is that I thought it was going to be labor intensive, but in fact, there are 300 machines and only dozens of people. What's the world's population?
8.1 billion.
And how many pair of socks does the town of Zhuji produce every year?
25 billion pairs of socks each year.
Are you kidding me?
No, the figure is accurate and widely reported. Zhuji is known as the sock capital of the world due to that enormous volume.
This city's Chinese name is so complicated, I don't even know how to write. And it makes on average 3 pairs of socks for every single living human beings on Earth right now. This is utterly unfathomable. Hi, I'm Qinyao. I'm a traveler in China. My interest is to travel to places where people manufacture stuff. This mall has thousands of shops, and all of them are for socks and socks only. And you can find here any kind of socks that's ever created. This is a stocking for XXXXXL. Each of these shops is only 6 square meters, but what's amazing is that behind each one of these shops, there is one factory. And behind me is one such factory. Somehow I got permission from the factory owner to go film inside this factory, which I don't expect it to be a sweatshop because the owner told me the average wage here is between 9K to 10K RMB per month, which is more than what I earned for many years after graduating from college. Right on the ground floor. This process is called boarding. Think it as socks going to sauna. Put on your bathing suit, make your suit nice and tight, queue up, and goes into the sauna room. Out of the sauna room, looking healthy and fit. This is the packaging floor. But both processes I've seen so far looks not that difficult. So I'm gonna ask the factory owners to see if I can really do something hands-on. 金总，流水线我能上一下吗？
可以，注意安全。
好嘞，好嘞，好。He said yes。我也来做一下，我也来做一下。
你也来做一下。
没事，不影响你，不影响你。Well, that was already the easiest part of boarding, just making the socks like fit onto the model. I wouldn't say it is that tiring because I just spent like 2 minutes doing it, but it is definitely very much hallucinating. So this is packaging. This is the last step before shipping to the customers. 能让他检查了，我也不知道对不对。
对了，那都行。
我先放在这里吧，怕做错了。
没事，你给我都行。
好，
给我都行。
好，我做了10个给他了，他说没问题。
没事。
So that actually, husband and wife brought their daughter to the workplace. I've done boarding, I've done packaging, but I haven't really get to the essence of socks making, and that is the making. I can't really do it myself, and no one can, because it's actually the machines who do it. Drag stuff from here, throw inside the machine. Weaving will start with round by round. Get the socks up and move it to finish weaving the end of the sock. On the bottle, it says drink water. It makes a lot of sense because this machine fat room is so hot. And you gotta drink more water to keep yourself hydrated. Thanks advice from Bape. Let's do some math. Each machine can produce 1 pair of socks every 5 minutes. That's 12 pairs an hour, 288 pairs a day, 8,640 pairs a month, and more than 100,000 pairs a year. Even with only 300 machines, this small factory can produce over 31 million pairs of socks every year. That's right, machines don't sleep. And this is just one factory. What surprises me about this factory is that I thought it was going to be labor intensive, but in fact, there are 300 machines and only dozens of people. I do have one question though. So if machines outnumber workers, couldn't you just move them somewhere else and build another sock capital? The answer is no. What I learned is simple. You can move the machines, but not everything around them. In Zhuji, the yarn and materials they need are just 10 minutes away. That means orders can be filled faster and cheaper. It's not just the machines making this possible, it's the whole city. So it brought me to this basketball court. I knew Zhuji is the city of socks, but until this moment, I just realized it's also a city full of crazy basketball lovers. Look at them. That number 0 is actually the factory owner, the boss team. So they told me in Zhuji from 5 years old to 85 years old, everybody loves basketball. That's 10 years old. How amazing that is. Everybody on the courts knows somebody who either works in a factory or owns a factory. Only people who don't live in Zhuji needs to buy socks. That includes you and me.